this is a very significant day for this area here, and the new station opening in Woodbrook. It's the 147th train station in our train network, a brand new one. So it's the first new train station in just short of 15 years, okay? And it's an example of what we want to do across our rail network, is investing in new capacity and investing in new infrastructure. So this cost budgeted for 24 million. It came in under budget. Work only started here in October 2023. I have to say it's pretty impressive when you see that the station is now open and fully operational as of this morning. So we'll have 191 services up to each day. You'll have 10 minutes each week. You'll have frequency of every 10 minutes, 40 minutes into the city.
And what do you think of the new station?
Oh, it's amazing, yeah, it's badly needed, and it will definitely help for me anyway, it'll make it a lot easier for me to get into the city centre. I work in town, so the commute is going to be like at least 10 minutes quicker for me, so it's great.
I think it's a great stepping stone. It's a great in terms of access. I think it's a great improvement. I think there needs to be more stations like this, because if we could do away with the lifts and have permanent ramps, it would be so much handier, less stress and hassle. So I think this is a great step in terms of moving forward in terms of accessibility.
I'm Jessica Silva. I'm the MTA Program Manager. I worked very close to the Irish Rail on delivering this station. The Woodbrook station is a station that was delivered on time and on budget, and will serve the community. So I'm really glad to say that this station will have each 10 minutes a DART system, and I hope everyone take a very good benefit of this delivery.